ekirala nnyigidde buli muyimbi legendary mwayimbanga ne Parrot, Jose Chameleon, Bobi Wine kale ye tali mu ggwanga, babebe kulu, bamesachi mwenna mwaliwo Parrot ng'akuba muliriddawa. Temubaddewo ku Uganda Funeral Service ate temubaddewo wano ewaabwe ekiwatule. Let me tell you, tulina okutereza industry eno. Bayimbi mwe mukyuke, nze mbabuulira, nze saawa zino abasumba bagenda kukayana, bagenda kuyomba. President Laneko wa gospel atakola ki eri mba Misiri, ne Parrot abadde mukwano gwange. Parrot abadde nga n'ebizibu nga temuvaayo muyamba, mupostinga my brother, my brother, my brother. Esaawa zino muliriddawa. Ebyo bye bigambo byange.
Blah blah, Bobi Wine, blah blah, Master Parrot, blah blah, Bobi Wine, blah blah, Master Parrot, blah blah, Bobi Wine, blah blah, Master Parrot. Honestly speaking, people, let's be honest, let's be realistic. One thing and once at a go. Bunagama, blah blah, Bobi Wine, blah blah, Master Parrot, blah blah, Uganda music industry, blah blah. Abantu bana Bobi Wine. Honestly speak, guys, let's be realistic sometimes. What is songa? Erigenda maso ku social media saa zino regarding Master Parrot ne Bobi Wine buno saw Mudra coming out to post saying rest in peace, where were they, of course, to help a man before the man died, and coming out posting rest in peace. Nobody muimbi buli. Let's just be honest here. How many artists in Uganda that worked with Master Parrot? How many artists in Uganda who are in position to help each other? Tutandikira awo kwanza awo mwenyina awo. How many people in Uganda apart from Bobi Wine and Sentamu family? How many? Bebe Cool wali? Chameleon wali? Kenzo wali ya Federation? Bas Mesak wali? But David Lutalo wali, who am I count out? All those legendary artists that have been there all. They have been there all. Why do people come out and begin tying words on Bobi Wine? Because Bobi Wine tweeted saying one of our oldest friend, he has died. Rest in peace. Then Mukati alikusiba. Kati Mudra, kutanikere ku Mudra oyo mwenyine oyo. Mudra, you've been in Uganda, over them Uganda one. If you really know you're in position to help Master Parrot, what stopped you from helping him? What stopped you from helping him? Buli omu agamba blaming Bobi Wine. Katutulozemu. If you blame Bobi Wine for not helping Master Parrot, how many are you in position to help him? How many are you were able to support him? How many are you were able to, to give your support in regard that man's health status? How many? What they make? Who bad they were? Let's stop pointing hands like this. Ori. Ategwe obadewa. We mwenyina look pointing amukono kori obadewa. Aibije ijo. In our language. Where were you? Nikola basonge no Buliomo is pointing hands at Bobi Wine and the family of that is a Sentam. Okay, let's be honest. Is Master Parrot going to be buried at Gamba? Of course, family are Sentamu. No. Even him, he has his personal responsibility as a man. Buliomo are in personal responsibilities to take care of. That's being honest. Nikulawa Bantu, I'm seeing guys saying this, that. Let's be honest. Mudra, Kenzo, wa Federation, Bebe Cool, Chameleon, Mbuliomu. If you know you're an artist in the music industry, it starts from you, your personal selves, to help your own self. Let's take an example. What if, let's just give an example. What if Master Parrot, Bobi Wine, they were doing business by then? They might have paid him for his work, Master Sudesentize. So you expected Bobi Agambe, let me be taking care of this man, even when if let me be taking care of him, or what? That's why I say it's good when you have a job, when you have your cola savings. Any artist outside, we have seen the number of artists in the music industry, but far they die because they have nothing to present at the end of the day. But they finish in the bar. We have seen these artists, they begin struggling with the drugs, and when they die, they begin blaming hands at people. Ah, ori, tayambe muno, tayambe ori, tayambe uno, tayambe ori. Tandikira kugwe mwenyini. It starts from you yourself to take care of yourself. Saving a mu sente. Kendeza just kunywa bwerere, bonywa yagala nnyo buli sawa yagala sente zono zofuna yagala nywa. Neda. Tandikira kugwe you yourself. Let's stop the habit of pointing hands at people and saying the way Mudra is pointing. Mudra, over them Uganda. I've seen you treat Mudra. I have seen you treat Mudra. I thought you are Chagulanyi's friend. Mudra over them Uganda. Like any other person. All these artists who are blaming Bobi Wine, Kusawazi, Kugana, Kuyamba, that is Master Parrot. About them Uganda. Bobi talk about them Uganda. Bobi talk about them Uganda. Mudra about the Uganda. What were you able to do? Okozechi. Honestly speaking, Mudra Okozechi. What have you done? You have supported him. Even if you supported him, how did other artists support him as well? That were able to be in Uganda. How many artists in Uganda have done that? Before his death, it's in any culture. You to posting and saying rest in peace, rest in peace. It's one of the way of consolation of umuntu wafa. It's normal. It's normal culture. Even if one okuteso oba umuntu afude, you'll have to type rest in peace because afude tagenda komawo. Tagenda komawo. Nikulaba muganda wange Mudra ali kuyomba, nikulaba bana Uganda naye bababo bali kuyomba. So what do people expect Bobi Wine to do?